Here we are, heat number 2 in the big dogs battle. Dave Blaney is out. He will be okay, but he is temporarily unable to race from that wreck in the last race. In is number 4 in the Kodak car. Take some pictures. Mike Skinner. All right, heat number 2, ready to rock. Dylan on the turntable. Tyler in the studio. Lauren, kind of in the studio. All right, Jeremy Mayfield in the mobile number 1 next to Terry Labonte. On the outside of Jeremy Mayfield is number 36, Kenny Schrader. Oh, Mike Skinner a little hesitant to drop down, but he does. Nice move there. Oh, almost upsets the apple cart there. Oh, there he goes. He's got Mike Skinner. First one out of the race. Matt Kenseth as well gone. And plus one more car. Oh, we just saw 5 cars, including Terry, go off the back. We're down to 2. We look like we've got number 36, Kenny Schrader. And number 94, Bill Elliott. 2 legends of the track here, battling it out. Would you call them legends, Tyler, on this track?
Yes.
You would? Okay, all right. Holy smokes, are going way to the back. Bill Elliott, Zing, gone. Kenny Schrader wins again. Kind of in the studio.